Hi, this is Sydney. Now, I'm usually showing things that are old things recognized for their huge success. And we're going to show some unrecognized tech products. I don't know what is really techy about this. This is a Kleenex box. But anyway, my grandpa made that program. It was very successful, but only really in Oklahoma because that's where he lives. And Claire's Works is a good one. Alright. Now, today we're going to be talking about... Today we're going to be talking about two computers, two tech products that were not really recognized all that much. Sorry about that. Stuff is, Xbox game, what the heck. Okay. Things like the Commodore 64, the 2GS. Things that people didn't really recognize. Things that had potential. Like old Apple computers that didn't really succeed. The 2GS was really fast. It was also known well. It was also known well for its, I guess it wasn't really known well, but it was also known for its Super Disk 3 drives. I mean, Apple II said Disk 2, but this is Disk 3. Faster SCSI drives. They didn't have to plug it straight into the computer. They plugged in through a SCSI controller. The Apple II was recognized for one of its other things that's not really that important, like its checkerboarded cursor. What do I mean by checkerboarded cursor? Well, you can't see it really with this camera, but the blinking cursor itself was kind of a checkerboard. The Commodore 64 was, in fact, a commercial success. Not as many people bought it, though. But one of its programs, however, was not a commercial success. As a matter of fact, it was a commercial failure. GEOS. Things like floppy disks were very successful. Commodore 64 was also harder to use than the Apple II. You wouldn't put a disk in and turn on the system. You actually had to type a command to load a program, no matter what you did. It had a slower drive than the Apple II did. Part of the reason GEOS didn't succeed was because it was a total rip-off of Mac OS. Actually, it was more of a total rip-off of the Lisa OS, if you think about it. Also, it had to be controlled with a joystick, which is very inconvenient sometimes. To quit GEOS, you had to click the box to close the window, go to the special menu, and press Basic. It would then reload the built-in Commodore 64 kernel. Also, the Commodore 64, if you move the joystick while at the command line, a bunch of crazy stuff would show up. Pressing Enter, well, you get a syntax error. there we are. I think that's it for now.